You need an Ebike, sidecar, saddle, tire and some accessories. Let's start. Find a suitable position on the frame to install this plate. Install at least 3 screws. Put the U-shaped slot. Install the screws. Put the other 2 places in a U-shaped slot. Make sure that the cable is not pressed by the plate. The middle line should be perpendicular to the ground. Then tighten all the screws. Install the sidecar. Insert 6 screws. Try to lean the sidecar to the left, leaving space for the right wheel. Tighten the screws. Tear off the double-sided tape on the back of the pedal leather. Put the pedal leather into the sidecar. Do not cover the 4 holes. Install the saddle. Find this screw and insert it into one of the holes. It's easier for the other screws to find the corresponding holes. Put the saddle. Press the saddle with your hand. Install the screws. Remove this screw. Tighten 4 screws. Install the fender. Install 2 screws in the back. One in the front. Install the wheel. Note that the side with the bulge is facing inward. Put the wheel. Use a hammer to knock it. Install the bottom screw. Tighten the screw. This screw can be fully inserted. This one is inserted halfway. Connect the sidecar and the bike. Adjust the angle of the screws. Insert the screws. Install the tie bar. The threads of the tie bar remain in the same plane. Several holes can be aligned with the help of a screwdriver. Now you see that the bike is tilted. We can adjust the angle of the bike with this tie bar. Just adjust it to the right angle for you. And then tighten all the screws.